What's up, everyone? Welcome back to your favorite channel, AI Ally. Today we're diving into the world of AI to uncover the top 5 tools you need to know about in 2023. AI is advancing rapidly and changing how we live and work. To kick things off, let's talk about Claude AI. As many of you may know, Claude is my conversational AI assistant whom I sometimes use to help research and create content. Claude aims to have discussions that are helpful, harmless, and honest, and I personally think it is 10 times better and superior than ChatGPT 4. Not sure about what GPT-5 will bring, but it's superior to ChatGPT 4. Claude has impressed me with its ability to understand context, ask clarifying questions, and provide informative responses. While it still has limitations in capabilities compared to something more powerful like ChatGPT, the fact that Claude can maintain long, coherent conversations is a remarkable achievement in AI. Of course, I don't rely on any AI blindly. However, having an assistant like Claude makes people more productive and helps ensure the content is thoughtful and accurate. So if you're exploring how conversational AI could benefit your work, I highly recommend checking out Claude and the team at Anthropic who created it. The rate of progress in natural language AI right now is staggering. Next up in the category of AI image generators, we have Stable Diffusion. If you haven't heard of it yet, Stable Diffusion is an open-source AI system that can generate stunning visual art and imagery. What's so impressive about Stable Diffusion is the breathtaking quality and photorealism of the images it can produce using text prompts. Let's say I give it a prompt like, "An astronaut riding a horse on Mars." This AI will actually generate an image depicting that wild scene. I can guide it to match a certain art style I want too. The results have completely shocked me. Now, while the AI art generation does raise interesting ethical concerns, Stable Diffusion shows the huge creative potential these tools unlock. The fact it's open source allows a community of developers to build on it, unlike closed competitors. There are so many practical applications as well. As a YouTuber, I could use Stable Diffusion to easily create custom thumbnails and graphics for my videos. For those running an online business, you could design product mockups, add images, and other visual assets. The rate at which AI art keeps improving is mind-blowing. Just look at how far we've come from DALL-E to Stable Diffusion in barely a year. I can only imagine what will be possible in another 5 or 10 years. It really makes you think. Of course, current systems still have limitations like coherence issues in detailed images, but tools like Stable Diffusion show the vast creative potential of AI. I definitely encourage all of you to responsibly explore what it can do. And now, if you are impressed with Stable Diffusion and want to learn more about it and its latest update, Stable Diffusion XL, then do watch the full video on our channel shown on your screen. Now let's move on to our third AI tool you must know about, which is none other than Promptbase. So what exactly is Promptbase? Well, it's an online marketplace where people can buy and sell text prompts for AI art generation systems like Stable Diffusion. Let me explain why something like Promptbase is so useful. To get those jaw-dropping AI images, you need to master something called prompt engineering. This involves crafting the perfect text description to feed into the AI. It's an art unto itself. But not everyone has the time or skill to engineer prompts well. That's where Promptbase comes in. It allows you to simply buy existing prompts tailored to your needs. For example, let's say I wanted to generate AI art of cute kittens for a pet store project. Rather than struggle to engineer the perfect prompt myself, I could search Promptbase and likely find some vetted, proven prompts people have already created. This marketplace has exploded, with prompt engineers making serious money selling their prompts. It allows casual users to tap into skills they don't have, and for seasoned engineers, it provides a way to monetize expertise. I've even seen dedicated prompt engineer roles pop up where people are paid just to create prompts all day long. Of course, you still need access to the AI system itself to use the prompts, like a Stable Diffusion subscription. But Promptbase itself is free to use and browse. So if you're diving into AI art generation, it's an invaluable resource I highly recommend. And that covers the first 3 essential AI tools you must know about. Let me know if you have any other questions. Next, we'll dive into the remaining items on our list. Coming in at number 4 is Durable. Now, Durable offers a seriously impressive capability. It's an AI website builder that can create entire sites from scratch in 30 seconds or less. As someone who has built lots of websites, the prospect of instantly generating one with AI is wild. Let's take a look at what Durable can do. After entering some simple inputs like your business type and name, Durable will ask you to stand by for a bit while its AI works its magic. In less than 30 seconds, you'll have a completely functioning website generated for you. It auto-populates the pages, text, images, everything. Of course, the sites aren't perfect out of the box. But considering a human would need days or weeks to build the same thing, it's an unbelievable feat. Durable offers a dashboard to customize aspects of your site if desired. You can regenerate sections, edit text, rearrange elements, and more. I do wish it provided even greater fine-tuned control. But the AI speed and automation are still mighty impressive. For small business owners and entrepreneurs, Durable offers a crazy fast way to create a web presence. The auto-generated sites actually look pretty slick too in my experience. You can have a basic online store up in minutes rather than months. For now though, if you need a site in seconds rather than days, Durable is clearly one of the top AI tools business owners should be aware of. Moving on to number 5 and the last one, we have Chatbase. This AI-powered chatbot provides automated customer support and lead generation for your business. Chatbase is integrated with OpenAI, allowing you to train the chatbot on your own data like product docs, FAQs, and more. This custom training is what makes Chatbase more useful than generic chatbots. For example, an e-commerce site could train Chatbase to handle common buyer questions about shipping, returns, sizing, and recommendations. Site visitors could get 24/7 support without tying up human agents. Chatbase also lets you collect prospect emails from the chats and channel those leads into your CRM. This provides a seamless pipeline from chatbot engagement to sales follow-up. Now, Chatbase is not as advanced as Claude in terms of conversational ability, but for automating common customer service queries, it's an easy way to leverage AI and reduce workload. Between quick website building with durable and automated chatbots like Chatbase, these tools show how AI will transform business functions that once required extensive manual work. The rate of advancement in AI right now is astonishing. These tools provide a glimpse of how AI will reshape entire industries in the near future. While current systems still have limitations, the practical business applications are already impressive. To wrap up, we must say in just the past year alone, we've seen huge leaps in conversational AI like Claude and breathtaking progress in generative AI like Stable Diffusion. Just imagine what the next 5 or 10 years may bring. The possibilities are truly endless, but it's also important we develop these technologies responsibly. There are valid concerns around topics like bias, misinformation, and job impacts that must be proactively addressed. I'm optimistic that we can find an ethical balance that allows us to explore AI's potential while minimizing the risks. The key will be establishing appropriate safeguards and monitoring systems even as we encourage rapid innovation. If society and the tech community work together, we can steer AI in a direction that benefits all people. I'm excited to see these remarkable tools improve and transform businesses over time. And that's all for today. If you're excited about AI innovations and want to stay updated with the latest trends and insights, subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, AI is not our enemy, but our ally, ushering us into a future of endless possibilities.